Welcome to the new home of Gassed on Track. Introducing Gassed on Track Silverstone, unsilenced. So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we're back with a good old battle of the opposing fossil fuels to see if a notorious 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine really has what it takes to take on a legendary 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Today it's K20 Turbo versus PD130 and it's gonna be nuts, so stay tuned and let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. So welcome back to a good old-fashioned tyre-smoking showdown between two crazy front-wheel drive builds here at the MANNOL Battlegrounds, in what's set to possibly be a heartbreaking day for the fanboys, with two legendary engines stepping up to go head-to-head. It's petrol versus diesel, octane versus cetane, torque versus power, Japanese versus German, and one thing's for sure, whatever the outcome, Greta is not gonna be happy.
How dare you!
And in partnership with Race Logic, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3 and the V-Box Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter mile times and more to let you know how these savages perform. Let's get over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, repping for Team Diesel, welcoming Jack to the battles. In his crazy nitrous oxide injected 500 brake horsepower, 800 Newton meter, PD130 1.9 TDI 4-cylinder turbo diesel powered Seat IBIZA FR, built by AR Performance and tuned by Toxicated by TM. Mods coming up. And he's going to be stepping up against Ryan, repping for Team Petrol, in his 500 brake horsepower, 420 Newton meter, K20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo-powered Honda Civic EP3 Type R, built by Ryan himself and Danny at the Alloy Clinic, and tuned by Dom at Delano Built. Mods coming up. So first up today is the roll races, but before we get cracking, let's get a couple of sound checks. Okay, so let me know which one sounded better, the Smoky PD or the Revy K20.
So, how do you think this is going to go today? Not sure, to be honest. Car's set up for
track racing, cambered, never really launched it, never really done any straight line racing, so I'm not sure, not that confident. We're here for some fun, so we'll see how we go. They've got the old NOS bottle there, playing with my emotions. I've no idea. I know it's probably a car maybe a little bit lighter than this car and probably a touch more power, but then yeah, again, anyone's guess.
I don't know, bro. I reckon it's going to be a good race. It's going to be close, I reckon. I reckon you'll run me down top end, to be honest.
Well, the best of luck then, brother. Never mind. There you go. Fair play.
Hang on a second, because that looked like two different things happened and I'm not sure exactly what went down there. But it looked to me like the Honda overtook the Seat, but then the Seat come back and done him top end. Now, that's how it looked from my eyes way back here. Let's find out from the finish line. Finish line. Who won that?
So that was 2 car lengths to the Seat.
No! Us Honda boys! No!
Too focused on going in the straight line. Right, let's go.
Read that plate.
And in a shocking first race, that smoky Seat actually pulls on the Honda and beats him to the line by around 2 car lengths. That's absolutely mad. It's one to the Diesel boys. Ryan needs to pull one back here. Let's line them up and go again.
God, that was over quickly, man. I didn't know what to expect. That's f***ing mad.
I swear the same thing just happened again. Like the top end of that PD, that 1.9 Seat diesel seems to just have the Honda. I might be wrong, so I don't want to eat my words, but it looked like the Seat just won again. Finish line. Who won that?
That I was closer, it was 1 car length to the Seat.
Oh my God, Diesel just done it.
I think it was closer that time, but he still got me. Fair play, bro.
Maybe I might not have to sell this car off. That one was weird. First razor didn't spin, second one spun.
I need to get some nitrous oxide.
Oh man, that Seat is mad. The boys have a closer race that time, but Jackers came to play no games and once again beats the Honda to the finish line. That time by just over a car's length. Madness. So, let's take a look at the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved by the pair during the runs using a V-Box PBT. And unsurprisingly, the Diesel clocks the fastest time, going 100 to 200 kph in an impressive 7.30 seconds. The Honda, not too far off pace, runs a best time of 7.98 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And round 1 goes to the Diesel fanboys. Next up, it's the drag races. And the Honda has got a limited slip diff. Place your bets and let's get it. Ready? set, go! All right. So the Civic done him quite clearly, but it seems like the Seat come off the throttle. I saw a little puff of smoke. There was a lot of puffs of smoke, but I saw a white puff of smoke, and then it kind of come off the throttle. So I'm not sure if that was anything to do with why it come off the throttle. But basically, long story short, I know the Civic one, but let's just actually look, the Civic one.
Come on, now we got one back, baby!
I think the boost parts come off.
And in a tyre shredding, popcorn limiter bashing first run, the EP3 Type R takes the win. Jack comes off the throttle mid-run due to a possible issue.
I'll take it! I'll take it!
I'll take it too.
I'll take it!
One for the Honda boys. All right, so it turns out I think we've had a boost pipe come off the PD 130. So yeah, we're gonna find out. Hopefully it's rectifiable because yeah, I knew something went wrong. I could tell something went wrong. So we'll find out. I saw a little white puff of smoke. Was it when you hit the nose?
Yeah, as soon as I back.
Yeah, bit of both. Say again? Yeah.
And we'll do the roll races again as well then.
Go on, give it a try, see what's what. So he's not 100% sure what happened, but apparently when he hit the nose, the problem happened. So, don't know if he's blown the welds on the intake, or I don't know, who knows? He's gonna find out, so we'll be back in a sec. It's okay? You're okay? All right. Okay. All right, we're back. Saying if it blows, yeah? That's it, bro. Nah, that's all right, you got it, bro. The Seat is back in the game. But anyway, before we get into this next race, guys, I just want to tell you about Gassed on Track. If you don't already know, it is going to be the event of the year. We have so much going on track and off track. It's literally fun for the whole family. Links will be down below in the description. It's Saturday, the 11th of May. Live, crazy entertainment going on. Trust me, check it out down below. You won't regret it, and I'll see you there. Ready, set, go!
Car, but we'll take it no matter what.
Ah, he's come off the throttle again. It looked like they were having a proper little race there. I don't know what you just said. Was it an excuse? Was it an actual issue? We're not sure, but I do know the Civic just won.
Turbo's definitely dead now.
And once again, Ryan takes it home for the Honda boys, taking victory due to Jack Seat once again not playing ball. Mad. All right, guys, so as you see, unfortunately, the race has had to come to an end. It ends the way we never like to see. Unfortunately, the turbo on the Seat has said no more. So it seemed like he was here for a good time, not a long time, and very impressive. But I'll tell you what is going to be a good time and remembered for a long time is gas on track. The 11th of May, Saturday, I want to see you guys there. It's literally going to be fun for the whole family. We've got so much going on off track and on track. There's G-Technic Show and Shine. We have Crusade live action, bad boy drifters tearing it up. On track, we've got drift demos. We've got real Formula One cars driving around the track. Can you believe it? Real Formula One cars, so much more. And of course, an unsilenced track day going on at the home of British Motorsport. I want to see you guys there. Check the links down below in the description, and I'll see you there. So let's take a look at the fastest recorded quarter mile and 0 to 60 times using a V-Box PBT. And the Honda goes fastest, covering the quarter mile in 12.94 seconds at a speed of 118 miles per hour and drops into 10th position on the front wheel drive leaderboard. Unfortunately, due to the Seat coming off the throttle mid-run, his best recorded time was 15.40 seconds at a speed of 63 miles per hour. However, looking at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, it's actually incredibly close, but the dirty diesel just manages to go faster, hitting 60 in 5.37 seconds. The EP3 runs an extremely close time of 5.39 seconds. However, both cars just off pace to chart with the top 15. So today ends in a draw with both cars taking one round each, and unfortunately the dirty diesel bows out due to what was believed to be a nitrous backfire, causing him to retire. Ryan drives the hell out of that Honda today, but on the rolls was surprisingly outgunned. Jack pilots the wheels off that smoky sleeper and runs impressive races, running strong times, but the car just doesn't hold together on the drags, leaving us on a bit of a cliffhanger as the drags seemed extremely tight racing. I'll leave that to the internet to decide who would have won if the Seat didn't break. But as usual, a massive shout out to both lads for pulling up and laying rubber for the culture. As usual, let me know which team you were repping, Team Diesel or Team Petrol, and if given the opportunity, which one of the two would you want sat on your drive and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.